Keep watching if you want to see how I recreate Kylie's look. We're going to start with this shade. Just pick it up on one side of the brush and just press that through here. We're also going to tap that orange shade a little bit into the brow. Going into this shade, we're going to add a little bit of definition towards the outer part of the eye. I wanted you to notice that the eyeshadow was just on the one side of the brush. I want that side to face the ceiling, and then I'm just kind of pulling upwards and placing that shadow. So now we're grabbing this shade, and I've already placed it. So normally we would place it right here, but we want to create a lot more space. And we also really want to bring it out this way. So I'm just going to keep tapping and kind of pulling that towards the temple. Now we're going to take just a tiny little touch of the eye base and just carve out through here, stopping at about right there. Grabbing this shade on a MAC 242S, and we're going to pack this all over the lid. Pick up this shade, and we're going to transition these two colors. So now I'm going to grab this Makeup by Mario eye pencil. This is just a brown pencil. I feel like some of y'all are not going to talk to me after this, but we got to scoop out a little bit of this, and you're going to need a mixing medium. Just scoop out a little bit, 1 drop of the mixing medium, mix it up. So we're going to take it through here. So we definitely just have to keep layering to get it to really pop. And then we'll put this through here. We're gonna get a little radical, just a little radical. So grab a little bit of micellar water, grab a detail brush. My little lines here were not sharp enough, so we need some micellar water, and let's really clean them up. Don't worry about taking off the eyeshadow. We will fix that. We'll go back in with the orange shadow, just kind of press it through here. It's gonna be much cleaner, have all of that definition. So now we're going to extend from here, micellar water to clean up underneath here. So I was just told in my DMs as I was filming this that she used her all over gloss through here. So let's see what that looks like. I'm going to grab some here on this brush, and hopefully this won't migrate too much. I wanted to swatch it so you guys can see it with nothing. Look how gorgeous that is. That's gorgeous. So I finished my face, but the blush still looks a little pink in that picture. I'm gonna grab Winter Kissed, and I'm just gonna apply it right here. I'm just gonna apply Pull Up in the shade Winning underneath here, brown on the waterline. Now I'm pretty sure that Kylie's using the lip liner from Kylie Cosmetics in the shade Coconut, but I don't have that one. This is Endless Cacao from Makeup Forever. Now I'm applying this gloss, and here is the finished look. Make sure you stay tuned because we have to do a tutorial using this.